After age 30, your body's natural resilience tapers off. Maintaining internal health shifts from an automatic process to requiring specific daily inputs to keep moving. Your liver and kidneys handle the bulk of that workload. Every single day, your liver functions as a chemical factory, managing over 500 tasks, while your kidneys process about 180 liters of blood to filter out toxins and waste. Most of us ignore these organs because they are biologically silent, unlike the loud systems that signal damage immediately. A fractured bone or headache sounds an immediate alarm, but your liver and kidneys degrade silently, working until severely compromised. Often the first confirmation of trouble is a lab report showing elevated creatinine or fatty liver. To protect these organs long-term, we must look past the generic miracle cures found online. Instead, we need to audit which habits provide a measurable biological yield versus those that just waste your time. We can map these habits on the longevity ledger, a quadrant chart that weighs daily effort against biological impact. The vertical axis measures how much protection an input actually provides to your organs. Before adding any supplements to your routine, the most effective step is addressing the baseline, the daily habits that are actively damaging organ tissue. High salt intake is the most direct stressor for kidney filtration. Excess sodium forces the kidneys to work harder to maintain balance, which can lead to chronically high creatinine levels. Similarly, the frequent use of painkillers and high tea consumption put a constant metabolic strain on the liver and increase the likelihood of developing kidney stones. On our chart, removing these stressors has a high impact on organ health. However, because it requires breaking established dietary habits, it sits in the middle of the effort scale. Addressing this baseline is a requirement. If you layer expensive supplements on top of a diet that is actively damaging your tissues, the net benefit of those supplements is significantly diminished. Once the baseline is stabilized, we look at flushing protocols. Barley water, or JOW, has long been used as a primary tool for supporting kidney filtration. It contains beta-glucan, a fiber that helps reduce the workload on the kidneys and has been shown to help the liver process stored fats. However, the preparation is a hurdle. It requires 20 minutes of boiling and cooling twice a day, which is a significant time commitment for most people. On the ledger, barley water is high impact but also high effort, making it difficult to maintain as a permanent habit. A more accessible alternative for daily maintenance is a combination of cucumber and lemon. Citric acid helps prevent the formation of kidney stones, while the high water content in cucumbers helps the kidneys move waste products more efficiently. This protocol provides moderate support but requires very little effort, landing it on the low-friction side of our chart. If you are managing a busy schedule, the cucumber and lemon protocol is a more sustainable choice for daily organ support than the more labor-intensive barley water. Beyond just flushing the system, we can look at ingredients that help repair existing damage. This starts with the combination of turmeric and black pepper. Turmeric alone is poorly absorbed by the human body. However, adding just a pinch of black pepper increases the bioavailability of curcumin by 2,000%. This absorbed curcumin can help lower inflammatory liver enzymes like SGOT and SGPT and may reduce the risk of scarring within the kidney tissues. Because this only requires adding a few spices to warm milk or water at night, it scores very high for impact while remaining low on the effort scale. Amla, or Indian gooseberry, is another high-impact tool that functions as a cellular shield. With 20 times the vitamin C of an orange, amla helps the liver repair inflammation and protects kidney cells from oxidative stress. Taking a small amount of amla juice in the morning is a low-effort habit that yields significant protective benefits. By pairing these specific compounds correctly, you can extract meaningful therapeutic benefits from standard kitchen staples with very little daily friction. The highest-rated intervention on our ledger is Moringa, a plant the WHO has highlighted for its exceptional nutrient density. Moringa contains compounds that activate the liver's natural cleaning enzymes, while simultaneously using quercetin to shield the kidneys from oxidative damage. This dual action helps the kidneys filter creatinine more effectively. While fresh leaves can be difficult to source and cook, a half teaspoon of moringa powder mixed into a drink provides the same benefits without the preparation time. On the longevity ledger, moringa powder sits at the top of the impact axis while remaining firmly on the low-effort side of the chart. For most people, this is the most efficient way to support both organs simultaneously with minimal impact on their daily schedule. You shouldn't try to implement all of these changes at once. To avoid burnout, you need to select a protocol that fits your current lifestyle constraints. Start by identifying your biggest constraint. If you are consistently short on time, follow the low-friction path. This path utilizes the amla juice in the morning, moringa powder during the day, and the turmeric-pepper mix before bed. This stack provides broad protection for both the liver and kidneys, with less than 3 minutes of daily effort. If you have more flexibility in your schedule, you can choose the optimizer path, incorporating fresh moringa leaves into your meals and preparing barley water daily. Consistency is the primary metric for success. A simple routine followed for decades provides more protection for your silent organs than an elaborate one that you eventually abandon.